Here we go. Double bulb action, folks. Yeah. Ben went hard off the limiter. Dang it. 11.5. There it is, Brian. Hell yeah. Look at him. Got him. All right, everybody, we are back with another video here on the Enebo Racing channel. Today we got a fun one. I'm currently in line here at Portland International Raceway here, PIR, and we're gonna watch Ben make his first hits on the new setup. So to remind you guys, Ben's got an 89 convertible with a heads cam intake 302 on a stock bottom end. He's got a Vortech V3 supercharger kit, ran on the Holley Terminator X software. He's also got it matched up with a Tremec TKX transmission, as well as a built 8.8 rear end. So it's got a full spool with 31 spline axles, ARP wheel studs, all the good stuff back there on some slicks. So he's on an untested setup. He's got it tuned up pretty good. Today's definitely going to be a good day to get some data, but for the most part, we're super stoked. We got some friends out with us, and yeah, we're about to go into the racetrack here, so we'll catch up once we get in there. All right, Ben's first leg here. Brian getting him boxed in. Just get a way better view of this, folks. Slacking hardcore. Oh boy, we're making a run. Oh, we're making a run. Let's go, man. $112. 11.9.
That's actually pretty solid, right?
Hell yeah. All right. Ben made a nice hit here. Sheesh. I know he's smiling. I know he's smiling. Damn. You trying to PR on your first pass?
That was scary as shit, dude. It was spinning him in third the whole way.
Oh, it looked like it dead hooked.
Dude, it was just chirping the shit out of him. It was all over the freaking road. Second gear just burned him the whole time.
Really? Yeah, no, you hit limiter in second, yeah, or something. Just like,
it spun off the hit just instantly, $4,000. It just spun. And then it just goes to limiter. I get into second, limiter.
I'll try to remember the data log. There you go. Ben's gonna make another lick. He obviously had a personal best ET, but he's got a faster 60 foot to run here, so gonna get the tires a little hotter. And now that he's got the kind of launch figured out, or at least he's felt it once, make some adjustments and do better this time. We'll see if the track picked up too. It was really hot earlier and it's cooled down a bit, so hopefully just get some more traction out of the hole and yeah, see what he does. Oh, you're good. You're good. You're good. Oh, we got another Foxbody out here. Nice. I'm gonna have to go talk to that guy. All right, Ben's pulling up in the box here against the Supra. He should be able to take this guy. Now we're talking. Ben with the big old Bernie. Brian's gonna get his tire temp here. Nice. Good moves.
Perfect form.
Perfect form. Brian's got the shot. Yeah, they need to hold him in the damn burnout box before they even step up.
Yeah.
Let's go, Ben. Dude, the bald eagle screamer. Capped him. Let's go. 108. Hey, all right. Ben might have had something happen up at the top end. Brian was MIA. We had no idea. Pressure's fine. It's just idling super high.
What's that?
Idling really high.
Dude, mine did that. Something, you know, could have came off or got stuck.
It's probably just needs
Nothing's on fire. Nothing's smoking.
Kind of stuck. You're right.
Yeah, that's what it is.
See what she did.
All right, Ben just got
Second
back.
lick, 155 tires. We got them up a little 30 degrees hotter. They were at 125 last time and it spun hard. 170, 160, still working on getting that down into the 1.5s.
So yeah, he's been lower on the 60, so we're gonna at least try and match that.
Exactly. But yeah, new 8th time, 1184, only 108. So I mean, we got out of it with, I mean, at least 100 yards to the damn.
Exactly.
50 yards.
Drop the line.
3. The fact that it went 11.
I mean, you just try and shift.
It's getting quick.
Like,
huh?
you should just shift.
I tried. It's like fifth. It's like it's so hard at that T.
It is.
You're
It's
like
overdrive.
Stuck at the top of fourth. You know, you're like what?
Almost just like coast it.
And then just put it in the fifth.
Yeah, just nice and
I
easy,
was
granny
trying, but I
shift
tried
it.
to power shift it because the fucking people was coming, and I was like, no, bitch, no! And I was like, damn it.
Let me see the slip
damn.
here.
I was so pissed off. I was like, oh, I thought I had him. I could see him coming.
Is it? See the super
I had
pass
him.
here.
I had him to the 8th. He had
So-
2 mile an hour there. He's coming.
Ben was in the left lane. Brandon Supra was in the right lane. The guy cut a better tree than Ben, but got out of the hole. Got out of the hole. Ben beat him to the 8th by far, and Ben had to let out, so the guy ran a little quicker quarter. But yeah, that time is what a new Toyota Supra runs. If y'all want to see it. Oh, EGTs?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, folks. Big old blower. Trick flow heads. Anderson cam. Holly Terminator X, you know the deal. Oh, and don't forget the freaking methanol kit. Ben's running a methanol into the, the intake right there. He was having some pretty high intake air temps, and so in order to get those down, he's running a methanol kit. So Ben's on meth. You know the deal. All right. After looking over the data log, things are looking nice and good. Ben's got the whips flying. You got a 2-step test or not?
Yeah, that's the 2-step. How's you doing?
We're doing all right. Ding dong, no way. Now we're talking. Let's go, babe. Kick this Chevy's butt. Brian's got the tire temp. Execution. Got him. Got him. Oh, here we go, folks. Dang. Oh, Ben Redlet by half a second. Jeez, Ben. 111. 1183. That was, I mean, exactly what he ran last time.
Throwing a little wheelie in there.
All right, pass number 3. Still got a smile.
Yeah.
What was it? 170. Better.
It went 111, yeah.
Well, no, just better 60.
Right, yeah.
Double bolt, left lane. Let's go, Ben. Oh, kill it. Something with the timing. His tires are getting cold, man. Let him go. It's like 112. 1189. All right, so Ben's rolling in. What was the tire temp there, Brian?
167.
167 on the tires. Still got a high idle again. Get the IAC hammer. So Ben was on the two-step button that last pass, but we gotta bring those up. We gotta bring that number up. And if you tap the white box, Clear. Yeah, buddy. Tech tips with tug here, dude. We got it set 4,200, and then it's coming back in at 4,150 or 4,140, 4,150. Nothing like a good old two-step test here. Nice. Oh, sorry. Woo! See, that's such BS. I want you guys to know they should not be having them do the burnout so soon. They should let the guys go through the traps and then have them do the burnout because their tires are getting cold. It's bullshit. Here we go. Double bulb action, folks. Yeah. Ben went hard off the limiter. 2.7. Oh, come on. Oh, dang it. 11.5. There it is, Brian. Hell yeah! Look at him! Got him! He launched it. That's what he just wrote it out right off the button. That was good! Dude! Let's go! Launching for takeoff! What did you run? I won 11.5, but what was it?
56, 161, so tied our best. It scrubbed and got out.
That's how it has to be.
Button, bro.
You just wrote it out. You were kind of chirping, spinning the whole time, but it was moving.
Did I short shift second? I couldn't tell.
I don't think so.
It felt like it was. I've never felt a car leave. It just what the? I was like, what the?
No.
The whole time I was just screaming.
I mean, you were up against the big tire car, and it wasn't catching you until.
Dude, and then at the fourth gear, all of a sudden I'm like, what? And it, like as I get on the boost in fourth, it almost holds them off. Like they're coming up, and then I hold them off, and then they blow past me. It's like, dang it.
Dang.
Yep, 95 in the 8th. That's wild.
734.
That's the pro class numbers, boys.
Oh yeah.
All right, we're taking this one from the upper deck, folks. Ben's going off the button, about 4,100 RPM here. Let's go. What a rowdy launch. What's he gonna run? 110. 1179, a little slower. He's spun off the line big time.
Yeah.
Yep. Nice.
41 on her. Look, the stick.
Yep, spun her up.
Yeah, it felt sticky, but yeah, it just didn't hold.
Huh.
Spun them good that time. Didn't get that.
Yeah. All right, Ben finished his last pass. Ran a 1174 at 110, 170, 160 foot. But I'm about to take off out of here. Ben's done for the night. He's got to swap over into street mode. But Ben's fastest of the night. New record on the Enebo Racing team. We got a 160, 160, 734 in the 8th, and 1156 at 112.78.
When I coasted away that time, and then all of a sudden like come to slow down, and I was still going 80. And I'm like, oh shit, slow down. And I was like,
Oh, fun. Got to put a seat back in. Oh yeah, he's hooking up. He's got the bow crew out here, the Freedom crew. But yep, good night of racing. That's gonna be it for this video. If you liked the video, make sure to hit that like button down below and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We got a whole bunch of drag racing content coming at you, so stay tuned for that. This summer is gonna be awesome. We're gonna try and make it out here quite a bit. But thanks for watching, and as always, stay ripping.